Well, Lisa, in just hours now, children age 5 and under will be eligible to get their first COVID vaccine shots. WBZ's Christina Hager spoke with parents to find out whether they'll rush to get the shots or wait.
Little Lucas, the only one in his family who's not vaccinated against COVID-19.
Lucas just turned 3, and we're hoping to get him immunized as soon as possible.
Which means now, since the CDC and Massachusetts health officials have given the go-ahead for the last group of patients younger than 5, all the way down to 6 months.
All summer long would be a great blessing to not have to worry so much about who and who we contacted and who's not feeling well.
We're really excited to finally be able to do this.
Dr. Robin Reisberg heads up Boston Community Pediatrics.
This is where we keep all of our vaccines.
Making room in her cooler for this week's new delivery.
We hear a lot that, well, my child was vaccinated and still had COVID. Is it worth it? And we know that the long-term effects potentially of COVID are definitely there, and we know that the vaccine is effective.
I'm probably not ready to vaccinate my baby yet, yeah.
Feelings among parents are still mixed. Some, though, are already making appointments.
We haven't been able to see a lot of friends and family over the last 2.5 years, so.
This is going to be really important for us in terms of being able to move on with our lives.
And experts tell us getting this last group immunized is a step towards slowing the spread between kids, adults, and elderly people, and hopefully getting to the end of this pandemic. In Natick, Christina Hager, WBZ News.
So which shot should you get your child? Well, of the 2 vaccines offered for this age group, so far Pfizer has shown to be slightly more effective. It takes 3 shots with full protection kicking in at 13 weeks. Now, the Moderna version is only 2 shots and takes full effect faster at just 6 weeks. Along with the pediatricians' offices, there will be about 400 locations across the state vaccinating kids. You can book an appointment starting tomorrow on the state's VaxFinder website. And anyone who has trouble making an appointment can contact the state's vaccine resource line by calling 211.